Hi everyone, just put this thing together. Unfortunately, the 4274 monster could not go in there. It was just too big overall. But the 4076 was able to make it in there. And it's almost just right, and it's kind of nice because this ribbing almost acts like a motor support. So I'll probably squeeze put some sort of hot glue or filler here to support the motor some more. I think you've seen in some videos of that suggestion, so there's less stress and we don't bust this guy. But other than that, the thing came together pretty well. Just using my cheap receiver transmitter. I did get my good one in, but just wanted to button this together and try it out first. So let's power it on. I did power on the electronics to make sure everything was working before I bolted it together. Now let's see if everything else is working okay. Very cool. Got the lights working. Back in front.